Hello, in this video we'll explain how river dolphin populations are studied in Colombia and South America. The Amazon and Orinoco basins have two species of river dolphins. The pink dolphin and gray dolphin, also known as tucushi, inhabit the Amazon. The Orinoco is home only to pink dolphins, where they are referred to as tonina. Pink dolphins are the largest dolphins on Earth. They can reach lengths of 2.8 meters and can weigh 220 kilograms approximately. Gray dolphins are smaller, reaching lengths of 1.6 meters and weighing up to 50 kilograms. So, how do we estimate their populations? We first need to determine the sampling area. Large rivers such as the Amazon River, Orinoco, and Meta will require different sampling techniques compared to small rivers such as the Bita, Tillaba, or the Loreto-Yacu River. It is important to select the proper season. Ideally, sampling should be done during low water season, which is the time of the year where dolphins are gathered in the main streams. Navigation at this time of the year is rather difficult due to the prevalence of sand dunes and rocks. Dolphins are also at the edge of vision range. It is possible to do these samplings in high water periods, but dolphins tend to enter flooded forests and secondary affluents, which makes them harder to spot. The best timed periods to sample river dolphins are those when the water level transitions, be it rising or falling waters. During these times, dolphins stay in the river and don't enter the flooded forests, and since the water level isn't too low, navigation is easier. In wide rivers, 20 to 25 meter long boats are used, ideally bearing high platforms with good sighting range. Boats have the following parts: bow, fore, port, starboard, and aft or stern. Each observer is tagged with a number. The sighting team sits on the roof for better sighting range and no visual obstruction. Still, bear in mind, the sighter safety is top priority. Bow sighters are the first to make visual contact with dolphins, as they have frontal vision and a whole 90-degree visual angle. Both sighters must focus their attention on the frontal visual range, which has the highest priority. Any dolphins straight on the boat's path are to be counted. Sighting and registering aquatic animals is challenging, since they can stay submerged for long periods of time. Also, dolphins can sense the boat's vibrations from miles away, and may remain concealed underwater till the boat has passed. This is why stern sighters are also important, to account for dolphins that prefer to remain hidden. Stern and bow teams must each have a team member dedicated to recording sightings with a special form, which is then processed by a specialist. In order to cover most of the river, 100-meter segments are navigated on each shore, with alternation, till at least 2.5 kilometers are navigated in total. Generally, 3 100-meter parallel segments are done on one shore, and then a line segment is done to cross to the opposite shore before 3 or more are done on the other side. That said, depending on the river's condition, this pattern may be changed to the navigator's discretion. All data is recorded according to standard code, which accounts for the events of segment aperture and closure, weather changes, landscape ecological changes, and each dolphin sighting. Weather conditions include river state, water type, solar glare, and overall visibility. River state is further classified in calm as a mirror, slightly wavy, moderately wavy, wavy, and turbulent. Water types are white, black, mixed, and clear. Sun glare is also considered. Presence or absence of glare is registered. Dawn and sunset sunbeams can strongly reduce visibility due to their strong glare. Landscape characteristics such as shore type and distance to shore are also registered. Shore distance is measured with a rangefinder. It is also noted if one is traversing alongside the mainstream, tributaries, confluences, islands, or river channels. Shore types associated with river presence tend to be beach, flooded forest, farmland, rock, and human settlements. The most important event to be recorded are dolphin sightings. It is noted whether observations are seen on the port or starboard side, the angle relative to center of vision, number of individuals, distance to the group, distance to the shore, number of calves, and group cohesion are noted. When the group has cohesion, a single distance value is noted. If individuals are separated, the distance to each dolphin must be noted. Lastly, the sighter's number, the boat speed, and GPS data is registered. All the data is analyzed using the distance software and a support script on R. With enough sampling on the same areas, it is possible to determine what are the dolphin populations in each basin, and whether those populations are on the decline or on the rise. Additional information can be solicited to Fundación Omacha, omacha.org, and SARDI, South American River Dolphin Initiative.
Colombia, potencia de la vida.